Right, time to smelt the bag of gold remnants in there. You see some of it in there still. It's dried out a bit now. Crucible's already got borax in it, so hopefully this won't just blow away when I hit it with the map gas. But let's get on with this and make a little nugget. This is all from that BGA GPU e-waste recovery stuff from the acid, and this will be the last part. It's quite fumy, so I'm wearing a mask and have the fan on, as you can hear in the distance. All that just burn off. Yep. That's going to be very fumy when I do that. Look at that, smoking already. Yeah, it smells like burning paper, it's horrible. I think I'll burn some of that off first. Where's my matches? Use a match. Won't take too long to do the rest, see? I want to burn off some of this paper. It stinks. Okay. Nice green flame on there. Okay. The borax will suck up most of that anyway. Right. I'm using map gas for this. Map plus. It's quite strong. Focus. Problems focusing. Bit better. Anyway. Right in my mouth. Well, I have to flush it out with the Borax smelting. gold seems to be quite pure. I can't even see the gold. Look at that. This may be a failure. Looks like there wasn't enough in there to turn into a nugget. In which case, damn, not good. The borax may have absorbed it all, as I can't see any at all in there at the moment. Damn. Let's try heat it up again. See if I can find the small bit of nugget. See it. Got it. Yay! That tiny thing there. is the gold. Right. Managed to get it out of the borax. That was not easy. There it is. That tiny thing's there. So, wonder how pure that is. No way of knowing for sure. Let's check how hot that is. Wow. That's hot. Very. Takes around 1,000 degrees, so that's what that was, I guess. The nugget's still quite hot. Try and get that into the quenching pool. These are all screwed up and covered in borax, look at that. And where I picked it out. That was a bad idea. Gloves. That's it. Sounds metally. And that's it. That tiny nugget. You see that? Hang on. That's so small. But it is what it is. Don't look very gold. That's because there's some silver in there too. But considering this process wasn't very expensive, still a victory. So you can recover gold from GPUs with paracetic acid. Well, my phone's hot. And that's it. I doubt that'll be even weighable. I will check on the scales now. Oops. Dropped my phone. Okay. Right, let's weigh it. See if it even registers. No, it does not register, which means it's below 100 milligrams. That's what that means. Probably not much below though, looking at that. Tiny little bead. Well, at least it works. Ah, it's just below, because I just put it in the exact center of the scale. So it's just under 0.1, 100 milligrams. Damn it. I could do with more sensitive scales for this sort of thing. Don't appear to be anything left in there. Maybe a tiny bit around the edge there, look. But I had quite a difficult time removing it from the borax. But it did suck all the crap out of it, look. That's some silver and probably some tin and lead and all the other crap that was in the circuit boards that have been sucked out. So this is probably reasonably pure gold and silver, this tiny chunk of gold alloy. Very, very small nugget. I'll try and make it bigger sometime after I do the next recovery, which I'm already working on. Like this. Lots more in the dip for the next time for gold recovery. This is again paracetic acid. That's old memory cards in there, lots of other stuff. PCI cards, there's even connectors in there, and they seem to be coming apart quite well. So there'll be more gold recovery videos in the future, but I'll be leaving this for a long time. Well, definitely the hottest indoor melt yet. 500 degrees plus, and that was a while after the flame. So, well, there it is. Until next time.